This is our second in a video series of things you can do to make your home more energy efficient. Today, we are going to be talking about the importance of insulation. Since the biggest user of power in your home is your heating and cooling, it stands to reason that keeping the heating and cooling in your home is crucial to energy efficiency. Having a properly insulated home can make all the difference. Here are some examples of inadequate insulation levels. It is recommended that attics have between 14 to 16 inches of insulation. A good rule of thumb is that if you can see your attic floor beams or joists, you don't have adequate insulation and are losing heat that you are paying for. R38 to R44 insulation levels should be the target for your attic. Now here are some good examples of proper attic insulation levels. Floor insulation is also important as heat flows to the coldest areas. Adding R19 to an uninsulated floor can reduce your heat loss by 6.4 BTUs for every square foot of floor space. You should also make sure that you have a ground cover or vapor barrier on the ground to help keep moisture from seeping up into the crawl space. Another option is to encapsulate your crawl space, which brings it into the conditioned space. This is a very effective method of insulating your crawl space, but is a more expensive approach. Should you have any questions about your insulation levels and what you should do to make your home more energy efficient, feel free to contact Jackson Energy at 800-262-7480, and we can discuss ways you can make your home more energy efficient.